čuo za to da se Južne Korejke dolaze u Split udat?
Da samo one, da ne cijeli svijet.
Cijeli svijet?
Splićani najveći ljubavnici, šta vaj?
Do you feel that this country gave something to you, something important?
Well, I'm still searching for.
Yeah.
Yeah.
They just cannot tell you treat you as a real close friends because you don't speak Croatian. And that's what I feel.
Married, happily married. How do you get along with his parents?
No comment.
No comment. Well, you said a lot.
Kako si uletio, G? Ajde Galebe, priznaj sad, ajmo sad.
It's too intimate story.
K-pop je, eto, nešto egzotično. To je nešto što nas je zbližilo. Onda se definitivno osjećamo kao, to je naša grupa, to je naša obitelj.